Okay, this is one of those videos that I'm gonna be making just because I haven't seen a video out there about replacing the Honda Accord motor mounts. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of a symptom and what you can do to help. So what we're gonna do, this is my car right here, and there's a mileage. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna replace the motor mounts, all 4 of them on this car, just because it's got, this is a 93, so it's due for a little service, So that's what I'm gonna be doing, is I'm gonna get these old motor mounts out, put the new ones on. Alright, so this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna show you guys. It's this is the front motor mount. Alright. This will be the driver's side one right here. Transmission mounts right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. Those little bolts right there. That's it right there. So that's the one we're going to be replacing, all 3, and then also the back one, right? Now you probably can't see it, but it's right there, inside there. The symptoms of this, I'm going to show you guys, do a little quick snap throttle here so you can see what happens with the motor after, with the when you have some bad motor mounts. Okay, here we go. Check this out. Pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and tackle this. Okay, so right now I'm just clearing out the way to work on this thing. I've removed the air filter assembly. Pretty much have access right here to this transmission motor mount, and also I'm trying to see like what stuff I can take off so that it can be more readily accessible right there. I'm gonna be taking, I'm pretty much gonna be removing everything out of the way right now, just so that it can be a lot easier. Okay, first motor mount that I took off, just right here. Here it is, and let's see if you can see. I don't know if you can see this. It's all broken up. That's where you get the vibration on your engine there. And then here's the new one I'm going to be putting on nice and hard. Alright, so this is the second. I took this one off first, and then I went over here, and I pretty much had to take all this stuff off, but there's that other, that's where the other motor mount goes. And then from here, I'm gonna go to this side, take this motor mount out. That way the engine is gonna be pretty much floating from the sides and the front, and I can maneuver it so I can get to that back one. It's underneath that intake, so I'm gonna need all the room I can get. All right, but in order to take all this, or to take this motor mount off, I had to undo all this stuff just to make it easier. I always like to make things easier. And there's your motor mount right there. It's as you can see, it's all worn out pretty good. Okay, so this is what happened. I pretty much got everything out of the way. All right, I got this. Oh hell, where's my flashlight at? Jeez. Oh, here it is. So I got this motor mount off. All right, and then I got the front one. Take that one off. Then I went over here, took this one off, and take the back one here. Here we go. This is it. This is a piece of crap. This is the main reason why I'm doing all this, because it's all messed up. But the only way to get this out is through this area here. So maneuver all that. There you go. This is the little part that was broken. This goes here. This is pretty much like that. Goes like that. And that other one here. This is the old one. This is going like this. So as you can see, old part, new part. We're gonna put this on now. Here we go. So we got the motor. And this used to rock whenever I would do a little throttle on it, a snap throttle. Here we go. Let's see if you can see that. Nothing much now. I think it turned out pretty good. So hopefully y'all have a little visual right here as far as it helps if you planning on doing this. All right, I just hit this again because there's no other videos out there like this that show where these motor mounts are at. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya.